question of whether stone dust is a good paver base is a common one in landscaping and hardscaping projects. Stone dust, also known as screenings, quarry process, or paver dust, is essentially the fine particulate leftover from crushing larger rocks. It's often promoted as a base material because it's inexpensive and seems to compact into a very hard, solid surface, almost like concrete. Many homeowners and some contractors are tempted by this apparent stability and low cost. However, using stone dust as the primary base for pavers is a significant mistake that often leads to project failure. The fundamental problem with stone dust lies in its particle size. The particles are extremely fine, which prevents proper water drainage. Instead of allowing water to pass through freely, stone dust absorbs and holds onto it like a sponge. This single characteristic is the root cause of nearly all the issues that follow. When a paver base cannot drain, it becomes saturated. In regions with freezing temperatures, this trapped water is a disaster waiting to happen. As the water freezes, it expands, pushing the pavers upward in a process called frost heave. This results in an uneven, bumpy, and potentially hazardous surface that completely ruins the look and function of the patio or walkway. Come springtime, as the ground thaws, the base can turn into a soupy mess, allowing pavers to sink and shift. This cycle of freezing and thawing year after year guarantees an unstable and short-lived installation. Beyond frost heave, the poor drainage creates other problems. The constantly damp environment under the pavers can promote the growth of moss and algae, and the fine material provides a perfect bed for weed seeds to germinate and grow up through the joints. Furthermore, while stone dust compacts tightly at first, its stability is deceptive. When saturated with water, it can lose its structural integrity and even wash away in certain areas, creating voids beneath the pavers that lead to sinking and wobbling. The industry standard for a durable paver base exists for a reason, and it's built on the principle of excellent drainage. A proper base consists of a thick, compacted layer of 3/4-inch crushed stone, often called clean stone or number 57 stone. This material has enough space between the stones to allow water to drain away quickly. On top of this structural base, a 1-inch screed layer of coarse, washed concrete sand is used as a bedding course to set the pavers. This sand also drains well and provides a stable, level surface for the final placement. In conclusion, while the initial low cost and hard compaction of stone dust might seem appealing, it is not a suitable base material for pavers due to its inability to drain water. This critical flaw leads directly to frost heave, shifting pavers, and long-term failure. Investing in the proper materials, like a clean crushed stone base and a coarse sand bedding layer, is essential for creating a beautiful and long-lasting paver project that will withstand the elements for years to come. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more hardscaping tips.